Hello mga kawamat, in this video lesson, we will discuss about solving problems involving mean and variance of probability distributions. So first, recall muna natin yung mga formulas na ginagamit natin. How to find the expected or mean value of a discrete random variable and the variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variables. So, to find the expected value or mean value of discrete random variable, we're using this formula. So the summation of uh, the the summation of the value of a random variable times the corresponding probability. And then for variance of a discrete random variable, so we're using this formula, the summation of the value of a random variable or the squared of the value of random variable times the corresponding probability minus the squared of the value of the mean. And for the this is for standard deviation. So edit lang natin. Okay, for standard deviation of a discrete random variable, so that's simply the square root of the variance. Okay, kung ano yung value ng variance natin, pagkuha ng standard deviation, kunin lang natin yung square root nun. Okay, so let's start. Solve the following problems. Number 1. The random variable x representing the number of nuts in a chocolate bar has the following probability distribution. So, compute the variance. So, using the given, bago natin makompute si variance, so kailanganin natin yung mean. Okay, so yun muna ang una natin kukunin. Kunin natin, i-compute muna natin yung value ng mean. So, using the formula, so that is 1. Okay, so the value of the random variable, so 1 times 1 over 10 plus 2 times 3 over 10 plus 3 times 3 over 10 plus 4 times 2 over 10 plus 5 times 1 over 10. So, multiply and then get the summation, add, and then add lang natin, no, yung bawat sagot. So, the answer will be 2.9. So, you can use your scientific calculator. So, pwede nyo gamitin yun, yung umamit ng scientific calculator dito. So, kung wala kayong scientific calculator, pero kung may cellphone naman, so makaka-download kayo ng mga scientific calculator dyan sa cellphone nyo. So, ang pinapagamit ko sa mga estudyante ko, so try to download yung Calc Business. No? Calc Business scientific calculator yon. Okay, another is since ang pinapahanap sa atin is variance, so therefore, makukuha na natin yung variance since meron na tayong value ng mean. Okay, so paano computing yung variance? So, squared lang natin, no, yung value ng random variable natin. So, 1 squared times 1 over 10 plus 2 squared times 3 over 10 plus 3 squared times 3 over 10 plus 4 squared times 2 over 10 plus 5 squared times 1 over 10. And then, kailangan kasi class kapag sa calculator nyo, ito muna. So, pagka multiply nyo nito, okay, equals nyo sa calculator nyo, saka kayo mag-minus nung squared nung value ng mean. Kasi kung tinuloy-tuloy nyo yan, baka mali yung makuha nyo tamang sagot. So, once na nakuha nyo to, mag-equals kayo sa calculator nyo muna, saka pindutin yung minus and then 2.9 squared. So, the variance is 1.29. So, again, so ang tinatanong dito is the variance. So, therefore, the variance is 1.29. Next. For question number 2, a small study aims to see the correlation between having a tattoo and cases of clinical depression. So, in one group of 12 people from the same age bracket, so 7 have 1 tattoo, 3 have 2 tattoos, and the rest have 3 tattoos. If a person is randomly picked from this group and evaluated for depression, so what is the expected number of tattoos that the person will have? So, ito yung table natin, no? Ito yung probability distribution natin. So, based sa problem, no, merong 12 people, no, with the same age bracket. So, meron daw 7 person doon na merong isang tattoo or 1 tattoo. And then, meron tatlong tao na merong dalawang tattoos. And then, dalawang tao na merong tatlong tattoos. Or, if kunin natin yung lowest term, that is 1/6. Ganun din si 3/12, that is 1/4. Now, ang pinapahanap is sa atin is yung expected number. So, kapag expected number class, ibig sabihin, hinahanap natin yung expected value. So, kapag expected value, equal yan sa the mean value. So, using the formula for computing the mean of discrete random variable, so, by the way class, kapag expected value ang hinahanap, so, ang notation na gagamitin natin, so, gagamitin natin as capital letter E, no? Kapag expected value ang hinahanap. So, kasi 'di ba ang ginagamit natin dito yung mu na symbol. So, kapag expected value ang hinahanap, so gagamitin natin itong symbol na to. So, ganun din yung gagawin kapag sa pagsusolve ng mean ng discrete random variable. So, that is 1 times 7/12 plus 2 times 1/4 plus 3 times 1/6. So, the answer is 19/12 or that is equivalent to 1.58. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? So, since the expected value of x is approximately 1.58, then the randomly chosen is expected to have about 1.58 tattoos, or in whole number that is 2 tattoos. Okay? So, that will be the interpretation for our answer in number 2. So, another problem. Good Hands is a car insurance company who offers to pay 600,000 pesos. If a car is destroyed beyond repair due to an accident, this insurance policy costs 25,000 pesos per year, and the probability that the company will need to pay the amount of insurance is 0.003. Okay. So, mag-focus tayo dito, class. So, yung insurance company who offers 600,000 pesos. And then, every year, yung company need to pay, magkano? 25,000 na may corresponding probability of 0.003. So, based on the problem, so what is the probability that the company will not pay any amount to its client within a year? So, kasi since nakalagay dito, need to pay amount of insurance is 0.003. So, ilan naman yung probability na hindi sila magbabayad? So, alam natin, di ba? One of the property ng discrete random variable, dapat yung corresponding probability ng random variable natin ay equal sa 1. Since meron na tayong 0.003, so ibig sabihin, since ito yung corresponding probability na magbabayad sila ng 25,000, no, for the amount, no, of insurance per year, so magkano yung ano yung corresponding probability na hindi sila magbabayad within a year? Okay? So, sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, the sum of the corresponding probability ng discrete random variable dapat laging equal sa 1. Kung merong 0.003 na tayo, so therefore, pag minus natin yung 0.003 from 1, so the answer is 0.997. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung probability na yung company will not pay any amount to its client within a year. 0.997. Okay. So, what is the expected value of the insurance to its buyer? So, expected value ulit. So, formula for the mean. Tama? So, what is the expected value of the insurance to its buyer? So, using the formula, so, una muna ito munang gagawin natin. So, meron tayong probability na hindi sila magbabayad. Okay? 0.997. Ito naman yung probability na magbabayad sila. Since 600,000 pesos ito, okay? 600,000 pesos ito, tapos every year, magbabayad sila ng 25 pesos. Okay, per year ha. So, magbabayad sila ng 25 pesos. Okay. So, yung corresponding probability, no, na magbabayad sila ng 25,000, that is 0.003. So, ibig sabihin, 575,000. Kasi, nagbayad nga sila. So, ibig sabihin, nabawasan yung 600,000 natin. Okay? Since binayad nila yon. So, that is the corresponding 0.003. So, 600,000 na lang, 575,000 na lang. Tama? So, kung uh, lilinawin natin na ang 0.003 ay corresponding dun sa 25,000 na binayad nila. Eh, since 600,000 pesos yung offer, so nabawasan na ng 25,000. Okay? So, therefore, 575,000 na lang. And then, dito, so, dito class, yung binayad nyo. Okay? Magkano yung binayad nyo? Okay, that is 25,000. Since, ibig sabihin netto, nagbayad ka eh. So, therefore, negative yung representation natin. Okay? Kapag nag-lose ka or nagbayad, nagdeduct, so, negative yung i-represent natin. So, nagbayad ka. So, therefore, that is negative 25,000. So, ito ngayon yung discrete probability distribution natin. So, makakompute na natin yung expected value. So, that will become 575,000 times 0.003 minus 25,000 times 0.997. So, that is negative 23,200 pesos. Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi siya actually negative talaga. So, na-represent lang natin yung negative as the lose 23,200 every year. So, ibig sabihin, each policyholder expect to lose 23,200 pesos or 23,200 pesos every year. So, yun ang representation ng negative dyan. Okay? Okay, next. For example, number 4. The officers of the faculty club of a public high school are planning to sell 160 tickets to be raffled during the Christmas party. One ticket will win 3,000 pesos. The other tickets will nothing. Okay, so again, one ticket will win 3,000 and the other tickets will win nothing. So if you are a faculty member of the school and you will buy one ticket, what will be the expected value and variance of your gain? So again, if you are a faculty member of the school and you will buy one ticket, what will be the expected value and variance of your gain? Okay, first, so one ticket will have a gain of 3,000 pesos. But the probability of winning will only 1 over 160. Kasi 160 yung tickets, di ba? So, ito yung corresponding probability na mananalo ka kapag bumili ka ng isang ticket. Okay. Next, the remaining tickets will have a gain of 0 pesos or 0, nothing. And the probability will be 159 over 160. Kasi nga, yung isa dyan, yun yung ticket na binili mo. So, ito yung corresponding probability, no? Okay, nung remaining ticket. So, 159 over 160. And then, yung probability ng isang ticket, that is 1 over 160. So, ibig sabihin, okay, so kung kukunin natin, yung 0, so kasi mananalo ka, yung isang ticket, mananalo ka ng 3,000. Okay? That corresponds to 159 out of 160. And then, yung 0, okay, yung 0 class, that is 1 over 160. So, ano yung expected value ngayon? So, that is, okay, baliktad class. So, pag i-edit lang natin. Okay, again. So, mananalo ka ng 3,000. Okay, di ba kapag bibili ka ng isang ticket, mananalo ka ng 3,000, pero yung corresponding probability is 1 over 160. And then, yung other tickets, so wala kang mapapanalunan. So, the probability of that is 159 over 160. So, kung kukunin natin yung expected value, so that is 0 times 159 over 160 plus 3,000 times 1 over 160, the answer is 18.75. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? So, later, kasi may pinapahanap pa sa atin, yung variance of your gain. So, the variance, so that is squared natin yung value ng random variable natin. So, 0 squared times 159 over 160 plus 3,000 squared times 1 over 160 minus the squared of your mean, which is 18.75. So, the answer will be 55,898.44. So, ibig sabihin, the expected value is 18.75. This amount is the expected gain. So, the variance of your gain is 55,898.44 and it indicates how spread out the values of x are around the mean. Okay? This is the last example. Senior citizens of a particular barangay organize a Christmas raffle bonanza. So, 1,000 raffle tickets are sold for 50 pesos each. So, yung isang ticket, ang halaga nun 50 pesos. So, ilan lahat? 1,000. So, each one has an equal chance of winning. So, the first prize is a 32 inches LED TV worth of 10,000. So, the second prize in electric oven worth of 5,000 and the third prize is a grocery pack worth of 2,500. So, let X denote the net gain from the purchase of one ticket. So, find the expected value of X, then interpret. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. So, the expected value is equal to the product of net gain and the probability of winning. In this case, you have 3 chances of winning. So, you may win 112 the first. Okay. You may win the first, second, and third prize. Okay, so, wait, tanggalin natin itong 1, 1. Okay, again. So, you may win the first, second, and third prize. Plus the product of net loss on the probability of losing. So, ibig sabihin, kunin natin yung net loss natin, yung halaga ng isang ticket. Okay, so, paano yan? This is winning the first prize. So, winning the first prize, that is 10,000. Eh, since bibili ka ng isang ticket, so 9,950 na lang, di ba? So, bawas na yon. So, therefore, that is 1 over 1,000, yung corresponding probability. Kasi 1,000 yung ticket. So, yung probability na manalo ka is 1 out of 1,000 lang. Okay, kasi isang ticket lang. For winning the second prize, so 4,950 na lang din, no? Ang makukuha mo kasi yung 50 pesos binayad mo sa isang ticket. So, the probability winning the second prize is 1 over 1,000 din. Tama? And then, winning the third prize, since 2,500, yung 50 pesos, binili mo ng isang ticket, so kaya 2,450 na lang. And that is 1 over 1,000 pa din. And then, meron tayong net loss. Okay, so yun yung ticket mo, no, na binili. So that is negative 50. Okay? So ano yung probability no na makakuha ka? So ang idea dito class, para hindi kayo nahihirapan, kailangan mag-equal to sa 1. 'Di ba? Dapat mag-equal ito sa 1. Since meron ka na ditong 3 out of 1,000 pag in-add natin to, so, ilan ang corresponding probability ng net loss mo kapag meron ka ng 3 out of 1,000. So, kailan, di ba, pag in-add natin itong dito, nag-equal sa 1. So, ilan na lang? That is 997 out of 1,000. Okay? So, kasi tatlo. So, 997 out of 1,000. So, using this probable distribution, we can solve now the expected value. Okay? So, by multiplying 9,950 times 1 over 1,000 plus 4,950 times 1 over 1,000 plus 2,450 times 1 over 1,000 minus 50 times 997 over 1,000. So, the expected value is negative 32.50. Or, Ano ibig sabihin ng negative 32.50 na yan? If someone were to buy tickets repeatedly and although he has a chance to win, he would lose 32 pesos point 50 centavos and 50 centavos on average per ticket purchase. So, nandun pa rin na may chance kang manalo no sa isang ticket na binili mo. So, swertihan nga kasi. But, pag bumili ka na ng ticket, you have a chance to win, pero you would lose no 32 pesos and 50 centavos on average per ticket purchase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.